Hi everyone, today this is just going to be a quick update. I did the last, well not the last layer, the most recent layer last night, and here's it so far. Here's another up high shot, and here's the white one. Come around the side and show you. So this is just going to be a quick update on what I've been doing. Just been doing more blob art and mixing paint. There's a lot of paint happening over here. If I come back over here, I can show you my sketch for the geode, the next geode. The first one I recorded and then the camera died. So, yeah, it didn't turn out like, I'll say it didn't turn out how I was aiming for. It didn't turn out bad, it was just a tad bit busy for me. So, that's that. That will be coming soon. This, I'm not sure when it'll be finished. It's probably got another 2 layers at least. So, yeah, and then we have a huge, well, not a huge announcement, but a big announcement. I have a Independence Day sale running on my Etsy shop right now for, I think it's 25% off. I might raise it a little bit because I'm running out of room to store paintings, so I gotta get rid of some. Yeah, so make sure to check that out if you find a painting or necklace that you like. I might even post the set of resin coasters that I did off camera on there, I'm not sure. It'll all be 25% off, and if you go and follow me on Instagram, I have a special coupon code for another 10% off. So definitely go and check that out. And I won't make this any longer because I said a quick update. Thank you for watching. Check my Etsy. Check my Instagram at BeyondAcrylicArt. I'll see you next time. Bye.